Welcome to Rescue Paw Designs. Today we're going to learn how to do the first and second row in the Charlotte blanket. You're going to begin with a starting chain and a multiple of 3. I'm just going to do 12 for this example. In the third chain from the hook, you're going to do 2 double crochets. Next, you're going to skip 2 chains and do a single crochet and 2 double crochets in that same stitch. Next, you're going to skip 2 more chains and work a single crochet and 2 double crochets again in the same stitch. And to finish this first row, you're going to skip 2 chains and work a single crochet into that last chain. And you've completed your first row. Now to start the next row, you're going to chain 1 and then turn your work. And in that first stitch, you're going to do 2 double crochets. And next you're going to skip 2 stitches. Then you're going to work into that third stitch a single crochet and 2 double crochets. Okay, skip 2 more stitches, and again you do a single crochet and 2 double crochets. Okay, to finish this row, you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and you're going to work your last stitch into the top of the turning chain. I'm just going to single crochet. And that last row we did, you're just going to repeat that for the rest of the blanket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the links below to find the full link to the pattern.